A proposed law would force police to give seized medical marijuana back to patients in certain situations. That law would also change how departments store marijuana evidence before trial. 23ABC's Chris Ornelas spoke to local experts about this bill. He is live to explain tonight. Chris?
Well, this is Bakersfield's newest pot shop. In fact, it's only been open 2 days. So we came here to ask the owners what they think of the law. A bill being considered in Sacramento would require cops to give pot back to its owner if the charges are dropped, but it only applies to medical marijuana. Bakersfield police say they have already had cases like that.
In recent cases, we've had people come in with a court order from the court ordering us to release the marijuana to those people. We've had a couple of cases like that now, and we comply with the lawful court order and we release it back to the people.
Medical marijuana supporters say they like the bill and they think it will strengthen patients' rights.
I think if it's medical marijuana, absolutely. But if it's in a criminal case and they're doing more than they should and they're breaking federal and other state laws, and they need to be prosecuted.
A second part of the law would help agencies with the amount of pot they have to store as evidence while the case is in the courts. Many times police seize hundreds and even thousands of pounds of weed at once, and that can lead to problems in trying to store it all.
To us, it really doesn't matter how much we're going to hold on to. We're going to comply with the law.
Bakersfield police couldn't even put a number on the amount of pot they have in evidence, but they say it's a lot. The new law would require cops to only store a small amount for evidence and destroy the rest.
How come they don't just sell it back to the city and have them test it and go give it back to the cannabis clubs that are open and make money and get your money back on it?
Now, the law would require law enforcement to reimburse medical marijuana patients if they destroy their pot and the charges are later dropped. Todd?